All right, future botanists. Ever wondered about the secret life of fruits? Today I'm going to take you on a juicy journey through the structure, types, and dispersal of fruits and seeds. Buckle up because things are about to get fruity. First up, let's talk structure. Most fruits have three main parts. The outer layer, called the exocarp, is what you see and touch. Then there's the mesocarp, the fleshy middle layer, which is usually what we eat. And finally, the endocarp, the inner layer that holds the seeds. Think of a peach. The skin is the exocarp, the juicy part is the mesocarp, and the hard pit is the endocarp. Cool, right? Now, there are many types of fruits, but let's keep it simple. We've got simple fruits like apples and cherries that come from a single ovary. Then there are aggregate fruits like strawberries, which form from multiple ovaries of one flower. And don't forget multiple fruits like pineapples that develop from a cluster of flowers. So next time you munch on a berry, you can impress your friends with your fruit knowledge. But wait, there's more. Seeds also come in different types. Some seeds, like beans, are dicots, meaning they have two seed leaves. Others, like corn, are monocots with just one seed leaf. These seed leaves help the plant sprout and grow. All right, now let's get into the coolest part, dispersal. Plants have some pretty clever ways to spread their seeds. There's wind dispersal, where lightweight seeds, like dandelions, float away on the breeze. Then there's water dispersal, where seeds like coconuts float across oceans. But that's not all. Animals play a huge role too. Birds and mammals eat fruits and poop out the seeds later, spreading them far and wide. And some seeds, like those of burrs, hitch a ride on animal fur. So, what features help these methods of dispersal? Well, wind-dispersed seeds often have wings or fluff to catch the breeze. Water-dispersed seeds are usually buoyant and waterproof, and animal-dispersed seeds, they're often tasty and nutritious, or sticky and spiky to cling onto fur. Incredible, right? Fruits and seeds have evolved amazing structures and strategies to ensure they grow and thrive in new places. So next time you bite into a juicy fruit, remember, it's not just a snack. It's part of an amazing journey that's been going on for millions of years. Thanks for tuning in, and stay curious, my friends.